Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, I miss you. I'm back. So today, guys, we will be making the new TikTok famous sub grinder sandwich. So here I got the French bread. I got two kinds. I got French bread, and I also got the Italian loaf. So I was making two of the sandwiches. So I got all my ingredients for my sandwich. I got the let me put this down. So I got my lettuce for my salad part. Got my tomato, my fresh tomatoes, my mayo, my peppercino peppers, my red wine. My red wine vinegar, and my garlic. You can use, this is garlic puree. You can use minced garlic or this, or your chopped garlic, whatever. I got Black Forest ham, pepperoni. I got Canadian bacon. You can use regular bacon. You can use prosciutto, salami. You can use whatever kind of cheese. I got pepper jack and creamy cheddar. And I have my Parmesan to top it off with. Oh yeah, and also my red onion. Red onion, purple onion. If you're from the South, it's red onion. Okay, that's it on the ingredients, so stay tuned. So y'all, before I make my sub sandwich, what I'm gonna do, what my man want me to do, he want me to cook the meat first. So I'm gonna cook the meat, all the meats first, but almost all the meat. And then I'm gonna cook the bread, and then I'll put everything on the bread. Then we'll put it back in the oven. So y'all can do it how y'all want to do it. I'm just gonna do it my way. So y'all, all I'm doing is chopping up my lettuce, thinly slicing. They say the best lettuce to get is iceberg. You chop it up yourself, so here it is. What's good, guys? So, I know you're wondering why I'm doing a voiceover. Well, mainly because my background was a little too hectic for me. So, the girl had to go ahead and do what she had to do. So, right here in this video, I'm just adding in my mayo. I was trying to see how much I wanted to add, but because I had went ahead and did the whole head of lettuce. So, I want to say I did a half a cup of mayo. Or probably not even that. But y'all, I don't have a complete recipe. You just do how you feel. Do what you want to do. So, that's what I did. And I'm finna add some of my red wine vinegar. At least with 3 tablespoons. And I added in my black pepper. You can add in as much black pepper and salt as you would like. And try not to add too much liquids, because if you do, your meat's gonna be kind of runny when everything is combined together. So you don't want to do that, because that's what I did. So next time I make it, I know. This was only my first time, so, and it turned out pretty good, y'all. It really did. Okay, right here I'm about to add in me some pepperoncino peppers. Normally I would get the whole peppers, but your girl went on ahead and got those. And I didn't know they had those chopped up until I just, actually just took the time to look. But I'm adding in probably, I don't know. Like I said, I don't even have a measurement. Just add in what you want to add in, y'all. If it looks like enough to y'all, then, let there be that. Because there wasn't even a whole cup of peppers. I want to say, what, a half or 3/4. I don't know. Yeah, just, combine everything together. This sandwich actually tastes like it came from Subway. I mean, actual Subway. Because it was so good and everything was so fresh inside of it. You gotta see what I tried to do. I tried to freaking grate the onion on a grater, and it did not do right at all. So, your girl had to go and put that to the side. Because that didn't, that wasn't it. It really wasn't. So, I had to go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way with my hands. Me and my old friend knife. I sound like somebody's grandma. But yeah, I went ahead and, chopped it up with my hands. Y'all will want to do this very thinly. Try to get it as thin as you could get it. If you can grade yours, go ahead and do it. But make sure it's not too thick, because you don't want no real thick onions in your mix. But if you're the type that likes thick onions, then be my guest. Go ahead and do what you do. What you doing? What you doing? Okay. But y'all, next time I make this sandwich, I'm not gonna use the type of bread that I use, because the Italian loaf, I don't know, it was just too much. And then the French bread and the Italian loaf. I want to say that the French bread was. Why I can't finish talking to them? What'd you say? Hey guys. Yeah. But yeah, guys. I would just get the individual the individual 8-inch sub buns, because those will be better. What, baby? Okay. But yeah, like I said, the individual I think it's an 8-inch sub bread. those will be much better with that. Y'all know I had to just go ahead and sample that mix. It was so good. And right here, I just had to add in a little bit more of that vinegar. Because I had in so much mayo, so I had, equal parts, I guess. Whatever cheese y'all want to use, you can do that. Whatever bread. Son. And whatever bread y'all would like to use, you can do that too. Yeah, I tried to add in some of the peppercino juice, but all of it went on the floor. So I didn't do too good with that. I didn't do good at all. But I managed to get just a little bit up in the bowl. Now I'm about to add in all my lettuce. And that lettuce was so good and crispy, y'all, with that sandwich. I see why they recommend just the iceberg. And y'all, and the leftover that I had, the mix, the salad mix that I had left over, I put in the refrigerator. And yeah, it was good up until 3 days, because I had ended up making me like a little ham sandwich, or no, I had made a chicken sandwich, and I put that mix on it. Yeah, it was so freaking good. Oh, let me tell you about this Italian seasoning. So it calls for oregano, and I thought I had some oregano, but I didn't. So I just had to go for the Italian seasoning, and it was still good, y'all. It was still good. And you can add in as many crushed red pepper flakes as you would like. I think I added in too many because my stuff was kind of spicy, but it was still good, though. It really was. And then also that pepper jack cheese gave it a little kick too. So yeah, I had to take a moment of silence because that looks so good. I think I want to remake it. I want to make another one. And y'all, your girl needs 2K subscribers, and I know it's a whole lot of y'all out there that can help me get it and my watch hours. So hey, feel free to share my videos with your family, get their phones, subscribe to my channels, like my stuff, watch my stuff, so I can be monetized. Cause your girl, she's doing it. She is doing it. I think I want to start vlogging too, y'all. I mean, I have been, but I gotta go ahead and get my camera and everything. Besides cooking, I want to vlog. Cause I got a trip coming up, and I want to take you guys along with me. But that bread right there, y'all, it was so good, though. It was just too much. I guess it was just too much. And y'all, I had forgot to come back on, and I had forgot to match the record button. I was just talking to myself. But you see, I had went ahead and added the meats and stuff. But yes, guys, this is the end of my video. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to get it when I put added the meats and cheese and everything to it and put it in the oven and took it back out. But this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a great day.